Hey there, so this episode features another unboxing video, but this time not a century-old coin but relatively modern. This is 1978 Swedish 1 Krona. Let's carefully remove it from airtight holder and see what we got here. Content of a metal is copper nickel plated copper. Weight is 7 grams, diameter 25 millimeters. Oversight features a little bit surrealistic left profile of King Carl XVI and legends around his name of a country is Swedish, and date below. Edge is reeded and 1.88 millimeters thick. On the other side we have crowned coat of arms of Sweden, state motto in Swedish above and denomination below, also mint mark to the right. As you see, this 1 krona is at extremely fine condition. Letterings are very crisp, showing just few abrasions on the peaks. Some patterns of mint surfaces are preserved in protected areas between legends and king's portrait. One slanting mark catches the eye on Carl's forehead. One medium-sized beach patina catches the eye between 7 and 8 o'clock. When we turn it over, we witness more abraded surfaces on the fields and some notches inside the coat of arms. Letterings and device elements are sharply struck, show almost no wear. Loss of reflectivity is evident around the rims on the reverse as well, accompanied with beige-gray patina around the letter R and S. Also green verdigris is seen stocked inside left ornaments of the coat of arms. According to NGC price guide circulated 1978 Swedish Krona is worth not more than 30 US cents. Price of uncirculated MS65 1 Krona starts from 50 cents. Now let's check latest sales on eBay. On March 31st, this 1978 1 krona, ungraded and circulated, was bargained for $1 plus shipping fee. On February 24th, 2022, another circulated krona, this time from 1998, ended up selling for $1 as well.